Right now, we don't have any real information which has come out of the administration. We're guessing based on a lot of what Donald Trump has been talking about. For example, he stated that it's a $5 million donation. So people are not getting that. They're like, okay, so like other countries, yes, there's a donation, but at the same time, you get something back after a certain period of time. This is not the case. This is $5 million paid. And I think that when that comes home, when that really resonates, that you're not getting $5 million back, no, it's not being invested into something, it's going to lessen the expectation. I'm not saying there won't be any. There definitely will be people. Whether it's 1,000 or 10,000, I don't believe that's going to be as high as that. It depends on whether or not they do kill off the EB-5. At this point, you cannot kill the EB-5 because EB-5 is entrenched in legislation. In order to get rid of EB-5, you have to go back to Congress and get an act of Congress. It's going to be too much for them to get rid of EB-5. I do see coexistence, which is what people are trying to do with the current situation, meaning one set of people will go for this $5 million gold card. And we don't know yet how much paperwork is involved. Maybe they won't even require a lawyer. But we don't see it going, or the EB-5 going out and people from EB-5 jumping because the money, the differential is too high. EB-5, the minimum amount is $800,000, for which you can get that all returned with interest. Putting $1 million aside and getting it back, okay, people can do it. Putting $5 million aside and not getting it back, it's a very small percentage. We're seeing a push for EB-5 because EB-5 itself is only going to, EB-5 under the regional centre is only authorised until 2027. And if you want to be grandfathered under all the provisions, the last date for filing is September of 26. So there is a rush right now. However, what is dampening the programme are Donald Trump's immigration policies, as well as some of the immigration policies that we are seeing coming out of the current administration with relation to current decisions. Denials, arbitrary, what's called requests for further evidence and intentions to deny, and related type of stuff. So basically, although Donald Trump cannot kill the program, he can kill it through policy. So if policy is so negative, it will dampen. But at this point, we're really not seeing it. We're still seeing people wanting to come in.